I suppose I better get dressed for work. Whee! Let's ink some people. Ready? This is gonna look great.
Ouchie. I mean, that tickles.
I'm pretty proud of this tattoo. There. It looks good. Do you like it?
It looks awesome.
I know, right? High five! Is that your money?
It came from the tattoo! Quick! Do some more!
Great idea!
I'm rich! I better get to the bank.
This lollipop is yummy. Oh hey.
Sup? You good?
Hey buddy. What can I do for you? I've got some pretty sick tattoos in here.
Sounds good to me.
This is pretty freaky.
That? Oh, it's a little scary.
What else is there? Oh, spiders!
Oh, my mom would be so mad.
I've got it! A skull!
Oh, I'd have nightmares.
Well, what do you want?
How about this? It's just so cute.
Hey, it's your skin, bro.
I can't wait.
This shouldn't be too hard. Oh yeah, this is perfect.
I'm gonna call it Daisy.
Almost done. It needs a little something extra. But what? Whoa! Oops. I'm sorry, dude.
2 dogs? 2 dogs? 2!
I'm so sorry.
This is the best day ever!
Phew. Aw, they're so adorable. Wow, that's a lot of hair. Here, try this.
I don't think it's working. It's useless.
What else can we use? Got it! This tape is super sticky.
Give it to me. This better work, or else.
Do you need some help?
Help! I'm trapped!
I'm all out of ideas.
I'm starting to get mad.
Oh, my lollipop. It's worth a try.
This is your last chance.
This needs to work.
Would you look at that?
I guess I'm not eating that anymore. At least I'm safe.
Daisy? Biscuit? Let's go home. My friends will be so excited to meet you.
Why is it so hot in here? I need to cool down. The fan should help. That's better.
Give me that tat. I want it on my leg.
Let's get to work. That's different. Are you sure about this?
100%. Come on.
Okay, it's your decision.
Great. I don't have all day.
I don't get many requests for this kind of tattoo. But it looks pretty good. We're finished!
Perfect. Here you go. You deserve this.
Thanks. I suppose it takes all sorts. Who am I to judge?
Vroom vroom! I'm gonna look so cool. The girls are gonna love me. What the? This isn't a motorbike.
Dada! Dada!
Oh, I need a refund.
This channel's hilarious!
Hey, what's this?
Don't blame me! It was your picture!
Wah, wah.
I wanted a motorbike, not a baby.
Hey! Aww!
Mama?
Wait a minute.
What a cute baby! What's his name?
Him, Dave or something.
Aw, he's just precious! Oh! I'm gonna throw up.
I need to go have a shower.
I'm so bored. I'll just fill in this tattoo. Oh great, a customer. Hi, looking for a tattoo?
I want the best tattoo ever. Look.
She's very beautiful.
I want it on my arm.
This might hurt.
It'll be worth it. I love her so much.
Aw, so sweet.
I'll kiss her every day.
You know you're in public, right?
Her lips are so soft.
Dude, you're kissing a phone. Should I give you some privacy? This is so awkward. Getting a little uncomfortable over here. All done!
Thanks. You can come to the wedding.
Sure, just give me the money and go.
That should be enough.
Thanks. And the rest?
Wow, you're expensive.
Perfect.
Ah, she's beautiful.
Weird. At least I got paid. Wait. Why is that other bottle open? Oh no! Please don't say I mixed the magic ink with normal ink! I did! This is bad! I need to fix this! Phew. I need to work out more often. How do I explain this? I'll just check he's in first. I think I see something. Maybe it worked after all. Is that a doll?
I love spending time with you.
Ugh, he's definitely weird.
Can I have this dance? You're so graceful.
He seems happy, and that's the main thing.
I could get lost in your eyes.
Maybe it is true love. I'm out of here! What's that? You want a full body tattoo? You're so funny. I mean, stupid bear.
Wow, a real tattoo studio.
I've got just the thing for you. Your dream tattoo is in this book.
No! I don't want a nerd tattoo. I'm a cool guy and I want a cool tattoo.
Okay. If you say so.
This is gonna be so awesome. Ouch! Aw. That stings. Eek!
There you go.
Whoa, I'm cool.
Another happy customer.
What's happening? Is that normal?
I don't even think that's possible.
This is so unfair. Oh, how about this? A thumbs up tattoo. Ink me.
Okay, let's try this again.
This is a great idea. I'll be so popular. I'll be a cool kid.
Hey! Hey!
They look scary. Get rid of it.
Happy?
Boo! You suck! Why are they so mean?
Any other ideas?
Can you get me a match? I could find my true love.
Third time lucky.
Imagine having a soulmate. Wow.
Stay still.
Hey! Why do these things happen to me?
Hey! You forgot something! You can't leave him here! Someone needs to pay me!
Really? Let me see what I've got. Nope. I'm broke.
I need to find new customers. Woo! It's cleaning time! Looking a little dusty, Mr. Skull. Gorgeous! These chains need to be fixed. But it's not a problem. It looks fine. My ink. This needs to be fixed. There we go. All neat and tidy. This is great fun! Whoa! How am I supposed to do tattoos now? This is so embarrassing.
Hello, dear.
You have a little lipstick on your teeth.
Oh. Got it?
That's better.
I want my eyebrows tattooed.
That's gonna be hard. I can't use my arms.
Please. Pretty please.
Unless I could use my toes.
Oh, thank you.
Just jam it in there. Okay. I need to focus. Those yoga classes are paying off. That's it. What do you think?
You are a magician with a tattoo pen. I must look beautiful.
Have a look.
Oh. They are a lot bushier than I imagined.
I like them. They suit you.
Seriously?
They do.
Just doing my job.
Excuse me.
Yes. Oh.
Wow, your eyebrows. They are stunning.
Thank you, attractive stranger.
Do you have plans for later? Coffee?
I'd love that.
Great. It's a date.
I'm looking forward to it.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
I do now.
Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.